If you've never thought of making your own baked beans at home, this is your sign. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade baked beans. Okay, to make your baked beans, you're going to need 1 pound of navy beans. And if you've never seen or heard of navy beans, this is what it looks like. I know you don't typically see navy beans, right? So you're going to soak your beans overnight, and that just helps with the beans to cook faster. Okay, I'm going to add my beans to my pot. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Now I'm going to add 10 cups of water to that. You want to make sure you have enough water in there to boil your beans. Cover it and let that boil for 1 hour over medium heat. Okay, it's been 1 hour and I just wanted to take some out and mash it so you could see that it's nice and soft. Remove it from the heat and set it aside. Okay, now I'm going to cook up my bacon, and I'm using 6 slices of bacon that I cut into bite-sized pieces. Cook that until it renders some fat, and that will take about 8 minutes or so. Next, I'm going to add 1 medium chopped onion to that and let that cook for 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to add 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic to that, and you're going to let that cook for 2 minutes. You don't want to burn your garlic. At this point, you can turn off your stove, then add your other ingredients. To that, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of ketchup, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of molasses, and a good tip is to spray your dish with some cooking spray and it will just come right out. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1½ teaspoon of salt, and ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Give that a stir to mix everything together. Okay, now I'm just going to use a slotted spoon to drain out the water from my beans and add it to that. Don't throw out your water, you're going to need that to put back in your beans, but you'll need to measure it out. Okay, now I'm going to add 2 cups of the beans water to my beans. Gently stir that to mix everything together. There's enough water in there if you want your beans on the runnier side. I like mine to be thick, so I'm not putting a lot of water, but if you want yours a little bit thinner, you can add some more water to it. So you can put anywhere from 2 to 3 cups of water in your beans. depending on how you like it. I'm going to transfer this to my baking dish and cover it with foil. Bake this in a preheated 325 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 1 hour. After the hour is up, you're going to take off the foil and give it a stir, and then you're going to bake it an additional 30 minutes uncovered. Look at that, look how delicious that looks already. Oh, look how beautiful that is. My mouth is watering right now doing this voiceover. Oh, it looks so good. I want some. This just came out so perfect. The beans are nice and creamy, yet they hold their shape. Like I said, if you want yours to be a little bit more runny and not so thick, then you can add some more water to it before you cook it. Or if you decide that after you make it and you still want it a little bit more runny, then just add some of the water to it and give it a stir. I love mine just like this. This is the perfect thickness for me. I really hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you give it a try. Impress some people. Impress yourself. If you've never made baked beans from scratch and you make this, you'll never look at baked beans the same. I'm telling you. By the way, I had some homemade tortilla waiting for me and barbecue. Oh my goodness, it just took me right back to Belize. We always had baked beans and barbecue and tortilla. So good. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.